Pad Thai, from Thailand's streets to global tables. Ingredients for 2 servings. Main ingredients. "200 grams rice noodles, 150 grams chicken breast or shrimp tofu as alternatives, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, preferably peanut oil, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1 egg, 1/2 cup fresh bean sprouts, 2 stalks green onion, thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons roasted salted peanuts, crushed, 1/2 a lime, cut into wedges for serving. For the Pad Thai sauce, (1.5 tablespoons fish sauce, use soy sauce for vegetarian version), 1 tablespoon brown sugar or palm sugar, 1 tablespoon tamarind paste, or substitute with 1 teaspoon lime juice plus 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, optional. How to make Pad Thai. 1. Prepare the noodles. Soak rice noodles in hot water for about 10 minutes until soft, then drain. 2. Make the sauce. In a small bowl, mix tamarind paste, fish sauce, sugar, and chili flakes to create the Pad Thai sauce. 3. Cook chicken shrimp. Heat oil in a pan, add the chicken or shrimp, and stir fry until cooked through. 4. Add garlic and egg. Add minced garlic, cook for a few seconds, then crack the egg into the pan and scramble it. 5. Add noodles and sauce. Add the drained noodles and the prepared sauce. Stir fry everything together until well combined. 6. Add veggies and serve. Toss in bean sprouts and green onions. Stir briefly, then serve hot with crushed peanuts on top and a lime wedge on the side. The story behind Pad Thai. Pad Thai isn't just a delicious dish. It's also a symbol of Thailand's cultural modernization during the 20th century. Historical background. In the 1930s, Thailand, then called Siam, was undergoing economic and cultural reforms. The then Prime Minister, Plek Phibinsongkhram, launched a national campaign to strengthen Thai identity. One of the efforts was to promote the use of rice noodles, offering an alternative to plain steamed rice and encouraging national unity through food. Thus, Pad Thai was born and introduced as a national dish. The name comes from pad meaning stir-fry and Thai representing the country, so it literally means Thai-style stir-fried noodles. Why did it become so popular? It became a street food staple, accessible and affordable for everyone. Quick to cook, filling, and flavorful. It perfectly balances the 4 signature Thai tastes: salty, fish sauce, sour, tamarind, sweet, sugar, and spicy, chili. Final note, today Pad Thai is beloved not just in Thailand but across the globe. While chefs may add their own twist, the essence remains, a harmonious dance of flavors. Tip, for an authentic flavor experience, serve it with som tum, green papaya salad, and a chilled coconut milk drink.